I'm going to tell you the 7 streams of income that I was able to build by the age of 25. When you have just one stream of income, like your job or one business, you are in serious danger. And let me explain to you why multiple streams of income are absolutely essential for financial security. It's a slightly scientific and complicated theory, so you'll have to stick with me. But here it is.
Oh, the tabletop's gone. I suppose that's the illustration though, isn't it? I suppose that's the point.
Yeah, of course.
There we go. Point proven.
Now you might be wondering why I just showed you that clip. And it's a little bit of a metaphor, and if you don't quite get it, maybe take a look at this.
Look at that pencil behind his ear. People think we do proper work. Multiple streams of income, baby. Oh, let's go again. Multiple streams of income, baby. Hey.
A few moments later.
Yeah. It's a school project. Yeah, it took just demonstrating the different kind of aspects of income.
There you go. It's scientific proof why multiple streams of income are absolutely essential. Otherwise, you're in danger. Imagine your lifestyle is like a table or a chair with just one leg on it. I mean, firstly, it's almost impossible to get it to stand up anyway, but as soon as you swipe that leg out from under it, that's it, you're done. Everything comes crashing down. Now imagine you've got a table or a chair with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different legs on it, and you go and you swipe one of those legs out from under it, it's gonna stay standing. And that's exactly the same with your streams of income. Imagine you've just got that one stream of income, that one business or that one job that you've got, and suddenly you're made redundant, suddenly the business goes bust, suddenly you get fired or you need to quit your job for whatever reason, and suddenly you go from having all your money to having none of your money. You go from having an income to having nothing. And you have no way of supporting your income. Whereas if you have multiple streams of income and one gets taken away from you, well then you've got the other 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many you've got to support your income, support your lifestyle. And it's absolutely essential. People don't seem to think that this is important. I didn't think this was important until I realized it is so easy to lose a stream of income. And so that is why it is essential. In fact, it's absolutely, I think it's ridiculous if you don't. So I'm going to share with you my 7 streams of income. The first is my property agency business. We're an estate agency business, HomeSpot. There you go, that's nice, isn't it? HomeSpot, we operate across England and Wales and we help sellers get a quality sale at a quality price. If you're thinking about selling your house or you know anybody that is, click a link in the description, book in for a call with me or my team. I'd love to be able to help you and help you get the best sale possible for your house. But we have a property business, a selling business. We help sellers to sell their properties across the country. We have staff for that business. It's a fantastic stream of income, but in no way is it my only stream of income. My second stream of income is property flips. We buy and we sell houses. Sometimes we renovate them, sometimes we don't. But we buy and we sell and it brings kind of big lumps of cash into the business and it's absolutely fantastic. It's a great way of building income. It's not as steady, it's not as common, it's not as regular in terms of it's not a monthly payment, you don't get regular customers. It's just you buy a house, you renovate it and you sell it. It could be a 6-month process, could even be longer. It takes a long time to flip a house. So if you do a few of those a year, that's great, but you're gonna have to do a lot in order to get paid every single month. And every single flip will be different, so how much you get paid varies. It's a great stream of income, fantastic business, big chunks of cash, and it's just bloody good, isn't it? My third stream of income are my coaching calls. I do one-to-one coaching calls with private clients to help them get out of the rat race and get them into full-time business, building up their personal brand, building up their business, building up their property investment, their property portfolio, going from 0 to 100 in one strategy call. It's a fantastic business. I love doing it. I love being able to help people, but it's also just a great income stream for me because 1 hour of my time, it is valuable, but I charge for it. And so we get a nice steady stream of income from my coaching calls. The fourth income stream is my YouTube AdSense. Now, YouTube pay pretty well compared to other YouTube channels because it's a property niche, it's a business niche, so I get paid slightly more than your other kind of niches. So I do get paid well per 1,000 views. I get paid currently about £10 per 1,000 views. So if I get 50,000 views, I'll make 500 quid. So it's all right, it's not too bad. To be quite honest with you, the YouTube channel at the time of filming generates kind of £600-800 a month, something like that. So it's not, it's not world changing, but also it's actually £600-800 a month. If you can double that or triple that, that's a full-time income just there. So you can set up, if you were thinking about doing a business, I really would encourage you. I've got a friend who builds YouTube channels that he's not on, he just builds them, crafts the video together, he doesn't show his face, he doesn't talk over them, he gets other people in to do it, he distributes that onto YouTube and he lives off the YouTube AdSense. It's a great business model and it's completely free to get started. So the barrier to entry is seriously low. So if you're thinking about starting a business, if you want to do like a little side hustle to just bring in extra income, you can also sell products off the back of it. YouTube is fantastic. So get yourself onto YouTube. Fifth stream of income, and I've put two things together because I don't do a whole lot of it, because I only do it when I really believe in the product or the service, is affiliate marketing and brand deals. Again, affiliate marketing, I don't do loads of it, but if there's a particular book or something that I really feel is a great way for somebody to learn, then I will promote that. And if they're going to buy it off Amazon anyway, I may as well put my affiliate link in there and get a little commission from it. It's great. So Amazon affiliates, really great way. Again, if you can kind of partner this with the previous one that I just said, YouTube AdSense, you partner those together, can create a really good income streams because you're building up an audience, you're building up viewers, and people value attention now more than anything ever before. And then brand deals as well. I do some brand deals, but not to a great extent. Again, it's just a very small part of my income. It's something that I do and something that I can do. I have to really believe in the product, believe in the service. And so that's why I've done affiliates and brand deals in the same category, because for me personally, I don't do loads of it. It is an income stream, it's not massive. And if you were looking to get started in building a business or wanted to get started on a side hustle, they are great ways to make money. I just make money a bit more elsewhere, so I kind of put those in the same point. The sixth stream of income are my stocks and shares. I put a heck of a lot of money into stocks and shares, more because I didn't want my money sitting in the bank doing nothing. So in between the kind of time where if we're not investing it into property, I'll just chuck a bit of money into stocks and shares. We get paid dividends out of that. I also, you just get the increase in the value. I do a super simple investment in the Vanguard S&P 500, and then I've put some money into Apple, into Facebook. That, right at the point of filming, was a really bad choice because I put money into Facebook and then it kind of sliced in half overnight. That was great. And then what was the other thing I put money into? Apple, Vanguard, Facebook, and I put some money in Ford, which went really well. But yeah, most of it's in the Vanguard S&P 500. I put a little bit into Apple and a little bit into Facebook and a little bit into Ford. But yeah, stocks and shares are a fantastic way to get paid every month and to build up an extra income stream through dividends and also just through the growth. It's better than a savings account, in my opinion, assuming that you invest wisely. I'm not going to advise you to invest in those particular stocks and shares because that's what I put my money into. I don't know if it's any good or not, I just did it. So I'm not the expert in stocks and shares, I just put money into it. Please don't take that as investment advice. If you want to get in stocks and shares, I'm not a pro, so please go somewhere else to kind of learn about that and get a bit more information on it. I know a bit and I'm happy to chat with people about it, but not enough to say I can give away proper investment advice. And the seventh stream of income is a fairly new thing. It's our renovation business. I've set up a renovation company that helps investors, landlords, buyers to buy and renovate their properties really quickly. It's kind of a project management service. So we come in, we do the whole thing for them, renovate the whole thing, and then liaise with either the lettings or the estate agents, or we take it on as an estate agent, as HomeSpot, and arrange the sale or the tenanting of the property. Now I understand that the businesses that I have require a fair bit of capital to get going, but some of them are fantastic. If anybody's out there, like young people, teenagers, wanting to get started, building up a little business or a side hustle where they can get an extra stream of income, obviously the estate agency, flipping houses, the renovation company, what else was there? There was the house flips. You know, it's quite cash intensive. And so obviously that might be a little bit trickier, but things like your YouTube AdSense, your even your coaching calls, very low cost, but if you can become an expert in a certain field, you can offer a service where you advise people and coach people on a particular topic. And then obviously the affiliates and the brand deals, you can get that alongside building up a YouTube channel. I really would recommend it. People say that all the time on a YouTube video, what are my however many streams of income? Obviously YouTube is one of them because they're making a YouTube video about it, but YouTube really is a great way to build up cash, build up an income stream that is regular, and to an extent, obviously you have to make videos, but it is fairly passive. I took 6 months off of YouTube and I'm still getting paid £300 a month, so it's still a passive income stream to an extent, and especially depending on the type of content that you make. But it's a great business model, a great way to get paid, and if you are a creative person like making videos anyway, it's a great creative outlet. So guys, I hope this video has been helpful for you. Remember, if you're thinking about selling your house, make sure that you hit me up, link in the description, book in for a call. I'd love to be able to help. But I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about building a business, getting started with a side hustle, or starting investing in property, drop them in the comments below. I will reply to every single one I possibly can. And I hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.